क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा ऐसे ना आगे भरा कीजिए
We are on the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. It is so amazing. Look at this. Wow. So post-immigration, the first stop is Niagara Falls, and the Canadian side is much better than the American side.
Yeah, that's
Here's a view of this Niagara Falls. The best view of Niagara Falls finally are here. Look at this, the water is so crystal clear. And that side is the American side. Pressure of the water is so high that you can actually see it's going up. These are the cruise boats that you can take, which takes you closer to the Niagara Falls, and you actually get soaked in also, like it gets that closer to the waterfalls. So we're going to do that very shortly. Wow! I want to do that.
That's better. You get a better view down here.
Tickets for this place also, where these guys are standing, and you get the more closer view of the Niagara Falls from there, where you can experience some water showers as well, and you get quite soaked. So that's why they're wearing raincoats.
मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए ओ अपना ही साया देख जाने कहाँ शर्मा गए। अरे अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए। मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा। हाय ऐसे ना आगे भरा कीजिए। हो गया, मैं तो गाय जा रहा हूँ आपके लिए।
The horseshoe view of Niagara Falls. This is beautiful. It's such a spectacular place and such a nice experience I had coming here. I would definitely recommend if you're in Canada, you must 100% visit this Niagara Falls. It's really nice. And come on weekdays because then you will get the place to, you know, take enough photographs and see and spend some time here. But if you come on weekdays, then it's going to be really crowded. So we are now planning to go on a boat. Yes, you too. Say hi. Hi. On the cruise finally to get closer to the falls. So our cruise has just started and it's a thrilling view in front of me. So this is the American side of Niagara Falls. And you can see that's the bridge for them to view the falls. Wow. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no aircraft have ever referred to it over the American Falls. All starts with the fall from the Canadian Ocean Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate to ship. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet or 56 meters deep. Its crest line is 1,452 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet or 670. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful place. And I'm at Niagara Falls. Spectacular view, right? Yay! Amazing Niagara Falls. Oh my goodness, wow. He's really doing a good job. Like, this is so touchy, playing really well. really hooked me. Beautiful rainbow at the Niagara Falls today. Rainbow. How pretty. Grape plants, do you think? Yeah. Beautiful world. It's a beautiful place. Everybody said that we should visit Niagara on the Lakes town when we come to Niagara Falls because that's spectacular. And yes, they are not wrong because look at this view. We drove like for 20 minutes and we saw this and we kind of stopped our car just to breathe in here. This is so beautiful. Wow, and the splashing waves making that peaceful sound, my goodness. Like this is out of this world, this whole Niagara Falls and the town here. And that white boat sailing. People on that boat are definitely having the best time of their lives right now, I can say. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Some wild mushrooms. It is definitely a beautiful town. Oh, I'm so happy that we're here. So now we are in the main town, which is called Niagara on the Lake. And this is like an amazing street full of restaurants and cafes and some shopping places. So I like to collect fridge magnets of the places wherever I go, and this time I got Niagara on the lake, the fridge magnet. Also I have from the Niagara Falls, and I have from Montreal last time when I went. So I have like a huge wall that I made for fridge magnets. One day I'll show it to you all. Sorry. Beautiful restaurant. Oh, and we have Starbucks here. This is Niagara Falls town, just next to Niagara Falls. Hard Rock Cafe. Casino Niagara. Duty free. I think you have to go here inside. We just cleared the immigration and we crossed the border, and we saw the American side of Niagara Falls is also quite close by from the immigration center. So we parked our car. We came to this park. It's called Niagara State Park, and from here we are about to see the falls of the American side. 10 o'clock every night they have firecrackers as well, but it's like 1 hour away now. It's 9 p.m. so we won't be waiting for the fireworks, but they have beautiful lights in the night time. So this is how beautiful it looks in the night time, Niagara Falls. So that side, the blink side, is all Canada. This is Canada, Sheraton. That's Ferry Views. And this beautiful light on the Niagara Falls, how pretty it looks.